This is the 2007 Pontiac Solstice. So as a kid, I had two dream sports cars. It wasn't a Lambo or a Corvette. It was a Saturn Sky or a Pontiac Solstice. Well, here it is. I've gotten one of my dream cars. It belonged to a friend of mine. Her mom hadn't used it for some time and I took the opportunity. It's in great condition and still completely stock. I plan on removing scratches on some areas, changing some lights, and doing some other small projects to make it the perfect, new to me, dream car. Subscribe to keep up with this project. Who knows, maybe I'll do some road trips with this beauty.